So, hi guys. For today's video, tayo magluluto ngayon ng pancit. I cook pancit, guys. So, look at that, the ingredients. So, what we're gonna put? Oil, guys. So, ayan. That's our oil. This is the chicken. So what we're gonna put, guys, at the sesame, at the soy sauce. So this is the result at this. Okay, mix it up. At tayo nagsisin yung magic syrup. So add water. So this is the result, guys. Mix it up. Before I forget, guys, black paper. Black paper. So next level natin, guys, lalagay natin yung bihon. So this is it, guys. The next bihon. Bihon na malasado. Charan. Yan siya, guys. Mix lang natin siya, guys. So, ayan na siya, guys. Binuhos ko na lahat. Sana nga maluto. Kasi, sabagay 1 kilo naman to eh. Kumbaga, ano to, guys? Very delicious. Pancit. So this is a pancit, guys. So ayan, sinabay ko na siya, no? Ayan, so mix lang natin, mga meh. So ayan siya. Kailangan natin yung mix. So ayan, guys.